Hello everyone, myself Shivani Induvadi, working as Assistant Professor in the Department of Food Technology, Hindustan College of Engineering and Technology, Coimbatore. So today's lecture will be about occupational crime and the professional rights. So what is occupational crime? So occupational crime are the illegal acts committed through a person's lawful employment. So it is a secretive violation of laws regarding to the work activities. So this occupational crime is also known as the white collar crime. So white collar crime is when a professionals or a office workers commit the occupational crime. Who commits the occupational crime is referred as the white collar crime. So these crimes are motivated by professional greed, corporate ambition, misguided company loyalty, and many other. So some of the examples for occupational crime are price fixing, endangering lives, and industrial spying. So there are so many examples. We'll see about 3 in this lecture. So first one is the price fixing. So while fixing a price for a commodity or a product or a service, sometimes all the competitors come together and jointly set the price to be charged. So these are known as the price cartels. The above price fixation is unfair and it is an unethical practice. So this leads to the restrain the free trade and the open competition. So it is one of the example for price fixing is one of the example for occupational crime. And second example is that endangering lives. So endangering the lives of the employer is the other kind of occupational crime. Some companies employ workers without disclosing them the harmful health effects and safety hazards about the working environment and the product to be manufactured. In due course of time, workers are exposed to very serious health conditions. So in these cases, the employers are guilty of involved in the occupational crime. So this is the other example for occupational. And the last one is the industrial spoilage. So industrial spoilage is also known as the industrial spying. So spoilage, it refers to gathering of information in order to influence relationship between two entities. So industrial spoilage, it tells about keeping the information secret is a right, but occupation of other secrets to others at one's advantage is spoilage. So the spoilage is one of the most unethical and unlawful activities. The vital informations are secretly gathered. Theft through these spoilage events is known as the spies. The industries or corporate spoilage is the theft of trade secret for economic gains. The trade secret may be any of the intellectual properties can be of any of the intellectual properties such as design, prototype. It can either be a formula, it can be a software, it can be a password, manufacturing process, marketing plans, suppliers, contractors, etc. So this is about the occupational crime. And the other topic about the professional rights. So professional rights are the rights possessed by the virtue of being professional, saving special moral responsibilities. So the examples for professional rights are rights to refuse to involve in unethical activity, rights to warn the public about the harms and the. So some of the aspects of professional rights are right of contagious refusal. So the right of conscientious refusal is the right to engage in unethical behavior. According to this right, no employer can force or pressure any other employer to do something that is employee consider it as the unethical or unacceptable. So the conscientious refusal arises under two situations. One is where there is widely shared agreement in the profession regarding the ethical and unethical acts And in the second one situation is where there is a possibility of disagreement among the people over the unethical acts. All the employer should have a moral right not to force or pressure the employer to participate in any of the unethical activities. Employer should not use any revenge techniques such as denial of promotions, harassment, and assigning irrelevant tasks against the employer in this regard. And the second concern in the professional rights is right to recognition. So right to recognition, it refers to the engineers' right to professional recognition of their work and their recognition of their work and the accomplishment. So the recognition or reward may be of two types. One is the extrinsic rewards and other one is the intrinsic reward. So extrinsic reward, it refers to the remuneration such as increased salary, commission, cash bonus, gain sharing, etc. So these all comes under the eccentric rewards. And second one is the intrinsic reward. So in intrinsic reward, remuneration such as acknowledging the achievements by issuing appreciation letters, certificates, or oral praises. So the right to fair remuneration should be worked out cooperatively between the employers and the employee. The remuneration on the sources of the company and bargaining power of the employees. Thanks.